What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 II, also known as the QC2s. We're all familiar with these. Why would I be buying a pretty old headphone in 2020? Well, there's really only one reason. We're going to unbox it, but basically I've been using the Sony MX3s for probably over close to 2 years, and I wanted to love them, but they're just not that comfortable for my ears, and they were about the most comfortable headphone you can buy. But the features are great, they work great, but just after about 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes of use, it just starts hurting the sides of my ears, and this is still the most comfortable noise canceling headphone king even in 2020, even over the Bose 700. So anyway, we'll just get into the unboxing quick and use the trusty knife here. But resale value is still pretty good on the MX3s, so I plan on slapping those on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and try and recoup some of the cost of the QC35s. But the reason I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this is they're on sale right now at Amazon and at Best Buy for Prime Day for $200. So depending on where you're buying them, between $100 to $150 off MSRP. But so here we go. We've all seen unboxing of these multiple times, I'm sure, but figured it's kind of rare in 2020 probably. There are the MX4s that are out that are supposedly slightly more comfortable than the MX3s, with a little bit more padding, but those aren't on sale right now, and these are still, like I said, the comfort king when it comes to ANC headphones. So pull them out here. I think weight is similar on these two guys, but one thing I wanted to point out is that if you look inside the cups, these are carved out a little more distinctly than the MX3s or even the MX4s of the Sonys. Can you see that okay? You can see the cutout is just a little more subtle on these, but also there's a little like bump, a bulge right here that kind of digs in into the center of the speaker, that just digs into the side of my ear here. Just if you're sensitive to it, which I am, just any little touching after so long just becomes painful. So I'm hoping just in sampling these that will take care of that. So there's the QC35s version 2, and why I'm choosing them in 2020 over the MX3s or MX4s. So anyway, hope it helps. Peace.